what are Gling's AI pricing plans? Well, here's a full breakdown. Every creator reaches a point where they have to decide, is my time worth more than my money? You might be spending more time than you actually need to. In the next few minutes, we'll be doing a deep dive into Gling AI's pricing structure currently. We're going to walk you through the website together, looking at the specific buttons you need to toggle to save the most money and break down the 4 key tiers: the free plan, the plus plan, the pro, and the massive new elite plan. We'll also talk about the technical limitations of each, like the watermark and the XML export restrictions, so you don't get stuck with a plan that doesn't fit your workflow. Before we begin, if you want to try out Gling AI yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to sign up and get started for free. And by the end of this video, you have a clear roadmap of which Gling plan will help you scale your channel without breaking the bank. Now, when we get over to Gling.ai and we click on pricing, you'll notice that the interface is pretty simple, but there is more information here than meets the eye. Now, at the very top area of the pricing section, you find a toggle switch that is easy to miss if you're rushing. On the left, it says monthly, and on the right, it says annual, save 50%. Now, this is the most important part of the entire page. Gling has made a massive shift recently to encourage long-term users. By clicking that annual toggle, the prices will cut in half. For example, for the Plus plan, the one most of you would want, drops from $20 a month to just $10. It is rare to see a software company offer a full 50% discount for annual billing. So if you're planning on making videos for more than 3 months, this toggle is your best friend. Now, below the toggle, you'll see the distinct plan cards. Each card is neatly organized. At the top is the price, followed by what it includes section, with which details your media hours, and finally a key feature checklist, which can be found right here, which is a drop down. If you're ever confused about a specific term, you can scroll to the very bottom of the page where you can see the FAQ section. And this will clarify things like which payment methods are supported and how to cancel. So now let's start with the free plan. The free plan has 2 deal breakers for professional creators. First, any video you export directly from the Gling app will have the visible Gling watermark. Secondly, you cannot export to XML, and this means you can't take your cut down sequence into Premiere Pro, Final Cut, or DaVinci Resolve. You can only export a finished MP4 file. This tier is essentially a proof of concept, so you can use it to see if the AI accurately transcribes your voice and understands your editing style. Once you see the time it saves you, the watermark will likely become a hurdle you want to jump over quickly. Which brings us to the next plan. When you go over to the Plus plan, this is currently the most popular choice on the platform. It is designed for the standard YouTube user who uploads once or twice a week. When you look at the cost for the monthly, you can see that it's $20. But if you use the annual toggle, which we talked about, it drops right down to $10 per month. When it comes to the media limit, in comparison to the free plan, which was 1 hour, you can see that it now has 10 hours of media process per month. You also get to have unlimited video export, but this time there is no watermark. And as you might have guessed it, the biggest upgrade here are the watermark-free exports, and this allows you to let Gling do the boring 80% of the work, cutting silences and mistakes. And then you can click one button to move the entire cut sequence into your favorite professional editor for the final 20% of the creative work. At this point, would like to remind you that if you'd like to try out Gling yourself, you can use my link in the description down below to sign up and get started. It is at this level where you start seeing a massive return on investment for your time. And with that said and done, we'll be moving over to the next plan. The Pro plan takes the media hours from 10 way up to 30 of media processed per month. And just like the Plus, you get unlimited video export with no watermark, But here is the game changer. You get premium support. Now, when you're on a deadline and an export fails or the AI misinterprets a specific technical term you use, you want to be at the front line. So pro users get priority access to the Gling support team. You also get advanced tools like AI B-roll suggestions and auto-framing, which actually zooms in and out to keep your head centered, thus saving you even more manual keyframing time in post-production. And now to our final plan, the Elite plan. This is a recent addition and we're happy to let you know about it. The Elite plan is at about $100 per month, but if we go over to the annual, you get to see that it's currently $50. Again, that's 50% from the original plan at a monthly rate. With this, you get a massive 100 hours of media process per month. This is the greatest when compared to the other plans, which are down at 30, way down to 1 hour of media processed. You of course get unlimited video export and premium support. Well, who is this for? Imagine you're a podcaster who records 3-hour episodes every week, or a game creator who uploads massive 10-hour raw streams to be chopped into highlights. If you use multiple cameras, remember that Gling counts the time for each file you upload. If you have 3 cameras running an hour, you would have used 3 hours of your quota. For the high-end production houses and agencies managing a dozen clients, the 100-hour limit of the Elite plan provides the freedom to scale without ever worrying about hitting a processing wall. You can see AI captions across the board, where you can generate .srt files or burnt-in subtitles instantly. Now, in the past, you'd have to pay for a separate service like Rev or spend hours typing them out. And then you have the audio enhancement. This is a one-click button that removes background hiss and makes a cheap microphone sound like a professional studio mic. So you might find this handy. Now, when you add up the cost of separate tools for captions, audio cleaning, and SEO, the $10 or $20 a month for Gling starts to look like an incredible bargain. And now to wrap things up, let's look at the final comparison and see where you fit. The free plan is best for hobbyists and it's perfect for testing the tech, but the watermark and the lack of XML export makes it difficult for professional growth. The Plus plan at $10 per month when billed annually is best for the solo creator. This is the highest value for money plan on the site. If you upload weekly, this is definitely your home. And then you have the Pro plan at $20 per month when billed annually. This is best for the full-timer. The 30-hour limit and the premium support are essential for anyone who relies on YouTube for their primary income. And then you have the Elite plan at $50 per month when billed annually, and this is great for an agency or a streamer. If you have massive raw file volumes, this is the only way to go. In conclusion, Gling AI has done a fantastic job of making their pricing scale with your success. By offering that 50% annual discount, they've made it accessible for even the smallest creators to have a virtual assistant in their editing room. If you're ready to stop the tedious work and start focusing on storytelling, picking a plan and getting started is the best move you can make for your channel this year. So if you'd like to do that, we have the link to Gling AI where you can try it out yourself by clicking on that link to sign up and get started for free. We hope you found this informative and it helps you to make your decision, because we'll see you in the next one.